Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to all our viewers. Welcome to the Nifty Prediction weekly video series. I am BL Guru. The Indian markets were volatile last week. Nifty and the Nifty Bank index fell sharply on Wednesday but then managed to recover most of the loss. On the charts, Nifty is looking relatively more positive than the Bank Nifty. The Dow Jones in the US stayed higher but relatively more stable. Let us now look at the charts and see the outlook for the coming week. Nifty has risen back well from its low last week, recovering most of the loss. Immediate support is at 21,250 and then at 21,050. If the Nifty manages to sustain above these supports, a rise to 21,650 can be seen initially. A break above 21,650 can take the Nifty up to 21,750 and 21,800 in a week or two. As mentioned last week, the region around 21,800 is a very strong resistance. Nifty has to breach this hurdle to move further higher. Else, it can fall back to 21,000 and even 2,500 in the coming weeks. Nifty Bank index has been stuck in a sideways range over the last 2 weeks. The price action on the daily chart indicates that the index is struggling to get a strong follow-through rise above 48,000. That leaves the chances high for the Nifty Bank index to fall back to 47,000 again initially, and a break below 47,000 can drag the index down to 46,400. To bring back the bullish sentiment, Nifty Bank index has to make a strong break above 48,200. That will turn the sentiment positive and take the Nifty Bank index up to 49,000. Dow Jones remained higher but stable last week. Supports are at 37,300 and 37,100. Outlook is bullish to see a rise to 38,000 and 38,200 in the short term. The big picture is also bullish for the Dow Jones to target 39,200 and 39,300 in the coming weeks. Overall, Nifty and the Dow Jones is looking more positive than the Nifty Bank index. Nifty has strong support at 21,250 and then near 21,000. If it manages to sustain above these supports, a rise to 21,650 first and then to 21,800 is possible this week. Nifty Bank index has strong resistance in the 48,000 and 48,200 region. If it manages to break above 48,200, a further rise to 49,000 is possible. But as long as the index stays below 48,000, there is a danger of the index falling to 47,000 and even 46,400 in the coming weeks. Dow Jones is looking bullish. It has strong supports at 37,300 and then at 37,100. The index can rise to 38,000 and 38,200 in the coming weeks. From a big picture, Dow Jones is looking more strong to target 39,000 on the upside. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.